Hi everybody, wanted to take a moment today and show you how to replace your Fitbit Inspire 2 band. So first, let's go ahead and focus on removing the band that we have currently. First thing you're going to do is flip it over and let's locate the two pins. So you see these two dots here, so there are your pins. Once you find your pin, put your fingernail on it and you're going to pull towards yourself. As you pull towards yourself with the pin, pull the band to your right and it slides right out. So let's do that again on the other side. Again, we're going to locate the pin, pull that pin towards yourself and the band to the side, and it comes off like so. All right, so next let's look at how we add the new band in. Okay, now that we have our previous band removed, let's go ahead and replace it. So go ahead and find the top of your Fitbit. We're going to flip it over. You're going to want this piece first. Turn it over and locate which side your pin is on. So you'll notice it slides up and down. You're going to want that slid all the way to the top so that pin is flush with this little plastic piece. Once you have done that, go ahead and on this piece right here, let me show you a side view. Right in here, you're gonna make sure that pin is up and then slide it in. As you slide it in, use your fingernail to pull that pin down and that allows it to pop right in. So I have that attached. Now let's do the other side. So again, locate your pin, make sure it's pushed up so that this bottom part is flush, so that it's able to go right into your Fitbit. Again, here's the entry point. Line that up. Slide this down. And remember, your pin's up. Now, once you've slid it in, pull that pin down, push it in, and it's securely on. All right, well, I hope that helped. Thanks and have a good day.